What's going on YouTube? It's the Pizza Guy John. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing, reviewing, and cooking a pizza in the new Monument 200S Mesa Series Grill. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Monument Grills. They asked if I could review and cook a pizza in the grill, and that is what I'm doing today. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me cook some other stuff on here. Again, as you can see, all pieces come in one box. I pulled everything out and placed them out so I can see what I'm working with. Putting together everything roughly took me about 45 minutes or so. Manual is really easy to read and understand step by step, so again, it was super easy to put everything together. It's a stainless steel, easy to read temperature gauge right in the front. As you can see, there's some two big sturdy control knobs to control your heat, a big window right in front for easy viewing of what you are cooking. It has porcelain and enameled cast iron grates. It also has two main burners that turn on easily with the electronic ignition. And so we're going to go ahead now and just make a pizza. Again, they do have a pizza stone that does come with the oven, or that you can order separately with the oven, but it did not come in time at the time I was making this video. So check out my pizza dough recipes. I'll go ahead and link that up above. But again, I'm going ahead and stretching out the pizza dough, and then I'm basically placing or poking holes with the fork because no other toppings go on the pizza just yet. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle on some olive oil, and at that point we're going to go ahead and just spread it around evenly on this dough. And now at this point, what I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do is just do a temperature check. As you can see, I'm just checking the outside temperature grates with a thermometer gun. A little outside does heat up a little bit hotter, but now we're just going to go ahead and place this directly onto our grill. Make sure you spread out evenly. And we're just going to go ahead and just watching this, making sure that the crust isn't burning. We're also going to be moving it around just a little bit here and there, just again make sure that we're getting a nice even brown on the bottom as well. I did have the flame turned down to about medium low, so it's not on full blast, because of course if it was a full blast it would go ahead and be cooking that a lot quicker. But again, just making sure you're moving it around and checking it. Make sure again that you're not burning any spots here. So I did go ahead and just keep moving that around. And again, checking it. And again, like I said, what's cool about this oven is once you close the lid, you do have this big window there in the front, so you can go ahead and check to see, make sure whatever you're cooking, if it's cooking evenly. That way you're not opening it and losing out heat. So we're going to go ahead and take this out and back inside, get a little bit more olive oil on it, spread that around as well. And this again, the side that was not cooking, because we're going to go ahead and be turning that over and putting our toppings on the part that was cooking already. So as you can see here, and we're just going down simple. We got some Bianco di Napoli tomatoes. We're going to just do some dollops all the way around. We'll also be placing some Parmesan and some cheese as well, as you can see in the next couple clips. And then we're going to go back directly out to the oven. Slide that back down there. And again, I do have this on a low heat because now basically we're just moving this around, cooking the bottom that wasn't cooking, and then we're going to go ahead and get this closed. That way we can go ahead and get that cheese melted. And again, there's that perfect view of that window, that way you can watch that. And again, it didn't take too long, probably total cook time for all of it. I would have to say around 5 to 6 minutes or so. And there you go, you have your pizza that's being cooked on your Monument Grill. Let's take a look at that bottom, nice and cooked all the way around. What I like about this grill is that it's not bulky. It looks super cool. The knobs are really well made. Again, the window is a game changer. Again, that's something that I really like. The only thing that I did not like about this oven was there's a big opening in the back that for whatever reason, you know, it may release some heat. But again, there's this big opening in the back. So again, not the biggest deal, but you know, that is there. So if this is something you guys like, check out the link down below. Helps me out and helps out the channel as well. Well, let's connect on Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there. A big thank you to the team at Monument Grills for sending me out this grill. Make sure you check out their stuff.